All right, well, we're on the home stretch to Christmas, and if you still haven't gotten your favorite gearhead a gift, I've got 5 great gift ideas that you should consider. I've got links for all the gift ideas down below, so make sure to check them out. Number 1 on our list is the mini toolbox. You can find these anywhere from Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's, but my favorite one of the mini toolboxes is actually from Walmart, because not only do they have the mini toolbox top box, but they also have the mini toolbox chest that pairs along with it. I like the cabinet version better than the one from Lowe's and Cobalt. Just go to your nearest hardware store and pick one up. It doesn't matter if it's from Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, Walmart. I think the ones from Walmart might be sold out, but you might get lucky in your local area, so definitely go check it out. All right, next on our list is a 3D printer. If you haven't checked these out, the cost for 3D printers have really come down now, so you can get one for under $400. Sometimes you can get them even less. I picked up this 85X from FlashForge for under $300, and so far it's been great. I've been able to print out some different gadgets. I know that people can print out car parts for it. There's tons of resources online for you to look at. And these 3D printers, in addition to just printing out those rare parts, they're great for tool organization. So you can print out little organizers for the mini toolbox that we talked about earlier on this list, but also for your main toolbox. You can print out different trays, hold your sockets, hold your wrenches. I think a 3D printer is fast becoming a must-have tool in everybody's garage. All right, then the next thing on our list is a modular toolbox starter kit. So you've seen these from Milwaukee Packout. It usually includes a bottom box, a middle box, and a top box. Some of the budget ones, some really good value. Husky used to have a great set, but that's since been discontinued. Harbor Freight has a pretty decent set from Bauer, but they haven't really come out with any accessories for it. So if you were looking for a budget version of a box, I think if you want a premium box, Milwaukee's definitely the way to go. Rigid makes a good one as well for premium boxes. But in terms of a budget modular toolbox, I think you can't go wrong with the one from Walmart, which is their Hyperstack line. It was on sale for Black Friday for under $60. I think it's gone back to its regular price, but even then, at $90, $89.99, I think it's still a great value. And they're coming out with a ton of accessories. They're sold out of all of them right now, but I saw them introduce a lot of different accessories, including some half accessories for like half boxes. They have a soft-sided cooler, and they have a ton of other accessories that are going to be coming out in the next few months. So I think this is a great base starter kit to be able to build on in the future as they bring out more accessories. And they've really started to beef it up. The first version that I got from them was a little bit more budget friendly, but the newer version, the new update to the starter kit boxes, the 3 boxes, the axle's been upgraded, the wheels seem to be beefier. I think overall they really improved on their build quality. So again, it was one of my favorites. I think it's my absolute favorite modular toolbox starter kit. And I think if your gearhead doesn't already have one, this would be a great gift idea. All right, next on our list is a power tool. They're made by several different manufacturers, but one of these power washers or power rinsers, one of these cordless power rinsers, I think is a great idea to just sort of rinse off your car really quickly before going over to Cars and Coffee. Or you can get them from several different manufacturers. Harbor Freight has a version, DeWalt has a version, but my favorite is from Ryobi. And they make a couple of different versions. Make sure you get the 600 PSI version from Ryobi. And the nice thing about this is you can actually hack this, and I did a video about it, and I'll link it here, where you can modify it to accept just your normal, everyday, quick disconnect tips from any power washer. The one that comes on the Ryobi, they use proprietary nozzle tips, but it's very, very easy to hack it using the parts in this video that I made, where you can modify it and then it'll accept any standard nozzles from your standard power washer. Okay, last item on my list is this power ratchet from Vessel. Now you all know that the Milwaukee 3/8 power ratchet is my absolute favorite tool in my bag, but check out this one from Vessel. I saw this at SEMA. And it's got a really small head, gives you great access. It's not a lot of power. You're not going to be able to break open a lot of bolts with this, but just to kind of spin on and spin off some fasteners, You can't beat it. Vessel's official distributor is Snap-on and the different tool trucks, but you can get it on Amazon. I put a link down below. I think this is a great gift. It's on the pricier side, but it's a great tool. It's a fantastic tool. I guarantee you, your gearhead doesn't have this already, and you're definitely going to be the winner on Christmas Day if you have this sitting under somebody's tree. So anyway, that's our list for the top 5 gift ideas for 2026. I hope you all have a happy holidays, and we look forward to seeing you all in the new year.
If you're enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and to the newsletter using the links below. We'll share more tool buying tips, classic car and classic motorcycle project finds, some motorsport news, and maybe a wrenching tip or two.